The 1955 Chevy Nomad Playbunny Coach is one of the most radical and recognizable custom show cars to emerge from the American custom car boom of the late 1960s. Built from a two-door 1955 Chevrolet Nomad, it represents the extreme end of show car culture, where creativity, spectacle, and craftsmanship mattered more than practicality. The Playbunny Coach was created in the late 1960s, generally dated between 1968 and 1971. The primary builder credited is Eric Medeiros, with some sources also referencing collaboration within the custom car scene of the era. Starting with a Nomad was already a bold choice. The Nomad was Chevrolet's most stylish station wagon, known for its slanted B-pillars, distinctive roofline, and upscale trim. Medeiros transformed it beyond recognition. The body was sectioned approximately 8 inches, while the roof was chopped 4 inches, dramatically lowering the profile. The firewall was reconstructed, and the entire front end was hand-fabricated from sheet metal, a significant undertaking even by show car standards. One of the most distinctive features is the roof. Glass from an Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser was grafted into the Nomad's roof, creating a dramatic glass-in-roof effect that flooded the interior with light and reinforced its futuristic image. Stainless steel headers fed into bold side-exit exhaust pipes, while the rear was fitted with sequential Mercury Cougar taillights, a rare and advanced feature for the time. The Playbunny Coach became a regular attraction on the Winston Championship Show car circuit during the 1970s. It was frequently displayed alongside Playboy Playmates, which cemented its provocative image and gave rise to its name. During this period, the car won numerous show awards and underwent multiple paint schemes, reflecting changing tastes in custom styling. Mechanically, the car was equally ambitious. Power came from a 396 cubic inch V8, rated between 350 and 375 horsepower, paired with an automatic transmission. Both were rebuilt during a major restoration completed around 2000-2001. Updates included a Mustang II front suspension, a Lincoln rear end, power disc brakes, and power steering. The interior was extensively reworked with a handmade metal dashboard and console wrapping toward the rear seats, custom upholstery, indirect lighting, air conditioning, heating, power windows, a remote door opener, and a racing fuel cell. In 2007, the Playbunny Coach appeared at Barrett-Jackson, Scottsdale, wearing a paint job by Art Himsel and sold for $49,500. Today, the car resides in the LeMay family collection in Tacoma, Washington, preserving its legacy as a bold symbol of American custom car excess, imagination, and craftsmanship.